My name is Satya. I am working as Social Studies and Economics teacher. I am in this field since 17 years. I like teaching as it keeps us updating new things and learn about new things in education line. It helps me to understand my student needs. Now, economics will help us to plan small business, big business. So whoever is interested in business, they have to get interested in economics. Now, economic activities. Do you know, child? Any one of you know what are economic activities? What we are surviving in this world by doing some work, isn't it? In this world, everyone is working. Why do you think they are working?
To get money.
To get money. Wow, clap for this child. Very good. Okay, what is your father, child? Doctor. What is your father?
Teacher.
Teacher. Wow, same like me. So why we all are working, children? To get what? Money. Okay, any one of you can tell me why we need money? Why we need money?
To buy.
Yes, come on, child. To
buy
things. Wow. Clap for this, Namrata, please. Okay. So we are working. Everyone is working to earn money. And why we are earning money? To buy our things, needs. So when these things are available at a particular time, we call it as a supply. What we call, children? Supply. Means the things are there. Now I have pencils. These are available. The things are available now. These goods are available at a particular time. Now I want pencils. I have or no? Yes. So this is called as supply. This supply can be high or it can be low. Okay. When we want the goods are more at a particular time, it is called high supply. What it is called? High supply. Means the things are more. We are getting things. So it is called more. Now, I want to distribute these pencils in your classroom. So how many children are there? 22. Isn't it, children? How many are there? 22. Okay. I want to distribute these pencils in the class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now what, children? What I will do? There are 22 kids and I have only 6 pencils. So this is called scarcity. Scarcity means